In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Shein account. We'll walk through the entire process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect and how to complete it without missing a thing. First, open the Shein app on your phone or go to the Shein website in your browser. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so pages load quickly and nothing times out while you're making changes. Next, log into your account using your usual credentials. You'll need to be signed in to access the settings that control your account status. Once you're in, head to your profile area. On the mobile app, look for the Me tab at the bottom of the screen. On the website, this may appear as My Account or a profile icon near the top right. This is where Shein groups your personal details and account options. Inside your profile, find and open Manage My Account. This section houses controls related to your account information and privacy, and it's where the deletion option lives. Now choose Delete Account. Before moving forward, take a moment here. You're about to remove your account, which can affect order history, saved favorites, and personalized settings. If you rely on any of that information, be aware that it won't be accessible once the account is gone. Read the warning on the screen carefully. Shein will outline what deletion means and any conditions that apply. Understanding this message helps you avoid surprises later. If you're ready, tap Apply to Delete Account. You'll be asked to select a reason. Choose the one that best describes why you're leaving. This feedback helps the platform improve. For security, you'll be prompted to verify with an email code. Shein will send a one-time code to the email associated with your account. Open your inbox, copy the code quickly since it can expire, and check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. Return to the Shein page or app. Enter the code exactly as shown, and then tap Confirm to finalize your request. This confirms you're the account owner and that you intend to proceed. After this, wait for the deletion process. You may see a confirmation message, and the process can take some time to complete. During this period, avoid signing back in or making changes, as that could interfere with the deletion request. Once it's done, your account will be removed according to Shein's policies, and you'll be all set. That's it. Follow these steps, take your time reading each prompt, and you'll delete your Shein account smoothly and securely.